Well, hello everyone. It's Donna. How are you doing today? So, yesterday I ended up just pretty much taking the day off and watching football and stuff like that. And I ended up not turning on my sewing machine. So, and for the first time in I don't know how long, I actually went out to a store with my husband. And I mean, it was only Walmart, but I walked around the entire store and I was dead when I got home. I could hardly move, but I did it. I did it. Anyway, so this morning I was feeling better, and he was going to go look at some things that we were thinking about buying and haven't found. And I thought, okay, well, I'm going to stitch out this one. And I did. And this one, I think, is the highest stitch count in this entire panel from what I could uh, remember, which, you know, and then after I got done with it, I thought, I still have time. He's not here. I think I'm going to stitch out the next one. So I did, and here it is. So right now, um, this one kind of goes. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this too well. This one will go up here, kind of up there. This one's here, and I only have one more panel left to stitch. So I'm probably going to wait till tomorrow and stitch it. Well, I know I am, or maybe the day after, because I am not going to stitch anymore today. But I just wanted to show you these two. I think, I think they're gorgeous. That one just, to me, it just pops. That bow, oh, just stands out. Anyway, I will talk to y'all later. I hope you are having a great day and take care of yourself. Talk to you later. Bye.